Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can use this Google Chrome extension to transpose an entire music video or Spotify music. This tip is going to be useful for you when you want to practice a song in a specific key. To get started, you should have a Google Chrome browser, and then you can download this Chrome extension called Transpose, and it looks like this. And there should be a button that says install extension, and then it will appear up here in your extension menu. Look for it and then you can pin it to the bar. Once that is done, you can open the YouTube video that you want to transpose. So for example, I have opened up this video and I shall play it. In order for you to transpose to a specific key, you should know what is the key that is already used in the video. So like this video, I have already identified it in the key of G. So let's say I want to transpose it to a higher key, which is A key. I will click on the extension here, which is already pinned, and this transpose extension menu will appear. So like I said before, this video is in the key of G and I want it to be in a higher key of A. So it means G to A is 2 semitones apart. So I will just click on add 2. Okay, so it will automatically transpose the video. So now all I have to do is to play it. And there, it's already transposed. The sun comes up. So it does get a little bit funny if you transpose too high or too low, but for me it works very well when I want to practice on my piano. I want to practice to a specific key. And if you find the song too fast and you can't catch up, you can also reduce the speed, and that helps a lot when you are practicing. It also has a loop function, so if you want to listen to a specific part of the song, you can always key in or you can bookmark the spot. So the same thing applies when you want to use Spotify music. You will then have to listen to the song on a Chrome browser. So once I have opened up the Spotify song that I want to play on my Chrome browser, you click on the song that you want to play. Okay, and then you can always pause it and then click on the transpose extension and transpose the song like normal. The only difference is you cannot adjust the speed and the loop, so you can only play it. So you can hear already. So you can hear already the song is transposed. So this is how you can use the extension, and I hope you enjoy this trick. Now if you like this tip, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, and also share out this video as well.